Hey everybody, it's Yehuda Sunshine, head of PR at Odix. I'm here with our CTO Omri Eytan to talk about how to sign up for FileWall and how easy it is to activate it for Microsoft 365. Omri, you want to take it from there?
Yeah, sure. Thanks, Yuda. Let me quickly share my screen and let's go. Okay, so FileWall is available through all the major Microsoft marketplaces, App Source and Azure. It's also available in Cloud Blue and Interworks, and there will soon be an option to get 5 free licenses directly from us via our website. I will be showing how to purchase FileWall from the Azure Marketplace. I think it's the easiest option. It adds your subscription costs to your Azure monthly bill, so you don't need to enter any additional payment info or subscribe to any additional services. So I'll just click on the subscribe button. I will select a resource group for the app, and let's call it FileWall sign up. And I will take 55 licenses, and I agree to the terms of use and agree sharing my contact details with Microsoft. And that's all we need to do in the marketplace. Now Microsoft are checking the configuration that we've entered, making sure that nothing is out of place, validating that our Azure subscription can purchase third-party applications. This usually takes a few seconds. We've had cases where it takes even a minute and a half, but usually it's over pretty quick. Taking longer than usual today. Here we go. Okay, so now that the subscription is complete, we'll click on the configure button. This will take us to the FileWall backend. We'll need to authenticate again. And first thing we need to do is to approve the permissions that FileWall requires, which is to read and write emails, to modify and remove the attachments. And we need the threat indicator management permission to ship logs to Azure Sentinel. I'll accept that. Okay, and now we will sign in to the admin portal. Let's give FileWall a minute to spin up my account. I wanted to open a stopwatch when we started and forgot. Never mind. So now our FileWall tenant is active, and the next thing that we need to do is just assign users. So let's assign my user. And we're done. I am now protected by FileWall.
Omri, you activated it that quickly.
I'm also amazed by it. Every time, we had an on-premise email security product, which took a while to roll out, changed mail flows, MX records, SMTP relays, and so on. So yeah, it's a nice change of pace, just, get it up and running. And it also doesn't interfere with the entire mail flow of the organization because it works with Graph API and not via SMTP relaying, so there's no MX record changes that affect everyone. I just activated my account. Does not affect anybody else in the organization at this point.
There's no impact on latency. Business operations aren't impacted at all with the delay because there's no delay essentially.
So we take a few seconds to process files. Emails coming in, we take out the attachment, sanitize it, and then put the sanitized copy back in the message or block it. But it's usually a matter of 1 to 5 seconds, depending on file type.
Wow, that's really super cool. And how many common file types does firewall be block and be able to remove malicious content from?
So at the moment, our CDR engines support PDF, uh, Office files, namely Word, Excel, PowerPoint, in the new and older version, the OpenXML and
Mhm.
OLED versions, images, and we are now porting from our on-prem, our legacy product, porting also audio, video, HTML, and oh, I forgot, we support archives, zip archives, raw archives, and now porting additional archives from the on-prem versions as well. Our type filter knows to identify, I don't remember the number, but it's a few tens of thousands of file types.
Mhm.
Um, and of course, we know how to detect uh, encrypted Office PDF, zip, and raw archives.
Very, very cool. And if someone wants to find out more about firewall and how to sign up how to sign up for an NFR license, where would they go?
I think they can go to firewall.com to see all the firewall related materials. I think there's an NFR link in there. Also in all the marketplaces, AppSource, Azure Marketplace, CloudBlue, Interworks, um, and of course, our website, our company website, odi-x.com. Um, and they can email you your email at the bottom. I'm sure you'd love to give them some uh, premium firewall prices and deals.
I would love to talk to anybody. If anybody wants to send me an email or has any questions, comments, or concerns, please shoot me an email. It's YEHUDAH at odi-x.com. Omri, thank you so much for taking the time. Really appreciate it. Talk to you soon.
Thanks.